I'm proceeding for the budget session tomorrow. Budget session is starting on 31st of January 2025. आता हातून जेन्ना LICचे agents from across Goa they came and met me. They have a very serious issue. This is concerning their very survival. When I say survival, these LIC agents are working on ground to get one policy for the LIC, the company. Now, there are lakhs of LIC agents across the country. So each agent is getting business for LIC. And based on that entire business across the country, every year LIC gives thousands of crores as dividend to the Modi government. I repeat, they give huge dividends, thousands of crores to Modi Sarkar. Ata Modi Sarkar has come with a policy which is against the interest of these agents. जे तुमका खावयता तांचेरूच खोट मारता. जिस थाली में खाया उसी में शेत किया असलो एग्जांपल जाल्लो आसा. So there are certain amendments they have brought governing the policies of functioning of LIC, where an LIC agent was getting business. Now they have brought a policy change, the government, where LIC agents across the companies can work. Now what will happen in this? A private players, big companies who are friends of Modi, they will start poaching on LIC agents. They will take all their business. They will say, I will give you trip to America, to Thailand and all these things. So what will happen? Whose money it is? It is your and my money. The middle class takes LIC policies. आमचे पैसे तांकां खावयतले आणि हे पळय LIC agent actually because of whom LIC company has been surviving and giving dividend to the government, their job will be at stake. So all these policies are being brought to help the private companies. So they have submitted a memorandum to me, and I will be taking up the matter with the Honorable Minister for Finance, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. Now, why this is important? It is not only concerning LIC. Modi Sarkar, from the time he has come to power in 2014, has been following the capitalist form of governance. Capitalist form an कितें जाता? आता Western countries, America, UK, France, and all these companies, you may be however important to the company. तू रातचो कामाचो आयलो, घरा तुका एक मेल येता, फाल्यांच्यान तुवें कामाक येवपाची गरज ना. गेलो, तू रस्त्यार पडलो. असली पॉलिसी ते हांगा हाडटात. There is no guarantee for your job. So, जेन्ना वो सरकार आणि भाजपा विचारता 70 साल में क्या किया? 70 साल में काँग्रेस सरकारान नॉन बीजेपी सरकार थोडो ते आशिल्ले पळय तांणी कॅपिटलिस्ट सिस्टम हाडूंक ना. तांणी लोकांच्या पोटार खोट मारूंक ना. तुका तर नोकरी आसा, तू रिटायर जावसर तुजे कडेन नोकरी आसताली. आता कितें जाता? तुका खबर ना, तू घरा आयलो, फाल्यां तुका काम ना, रस्त्यार पडलो. दिस इज द कॅपिटलिस्ट फॉर्म वॉट वी आर एपिंग. आमी माकडा भशेन फॉलो करता फॉरेन पॉलिसी. आमची मिडल क्लास सोसायटी आसा. इंडियेक मिडल क्लास. मिडल क्लासान कितें? आमी दिसतूच बाबा कितें पयशे आयले, पगार आयलो, आमचे फॅमिलीक आमी भुरग्यांचेर घालता, आमी इन्वेस्ट करता तांचे शिकपाचेर, थोडे पयशे आमी सांबाळटा, आमचे पिरायेर, आमचे जाणटेपणार आमकां सोशल सिक्युरिटी आसपाक जाय. ह्या सरकाराची पॉलिसी ते ना. फाल्यां तूं नोकरी ना, रस्त्यार पडलो. नो सोशल सिक्युरिटी, नथींग. कितें बाबा दुयेंस जालें, तुजे कडेन पयशे आसचे ना. भुरग्यांक तर हायर एड्युकेशन दिवपाक जाय, पयशे ना. इन्फ्लेशन इज गोईंग अप. जो आमकां 1 रुपयान पाव मेवतालो तो मागीर 2 रुपया केलो, मागीर आतां सध्या 5 रुपया म्हणटा, आनी तो पाव आसतालो तो धाकटो जाला. इज जस्ट एन एक्झाम्पल टू टेल की कसो पदारांचेर पासून जो आमचो दिसपटो सकाळी फुडें स्टार्ट जाता पाव खावन, ते पदारांचेर पासून खोट मारलेली आसा. दॅट ऑल्सो ट्रायंग टू सर्वायव. बिस्किटीचो पुडो 5 रुपयांक पळय येदो मेळटालो, तो आतां श्रिंक जाला. सो एवरीवेअर वी आर श्रिंकींग. आमचें लायफूय श्रिंक जातलें मागीर. सो we as a people, we have to think, introspect कि वो सरकार पे ऐसा जो 70 साल में काँग्रेस सरकारान PSU बांधून आणलेले हो, जावं ती LIC, जावं ती BSNL, जावं हिंदुस्तान एरोनॉटिक्स लिमिटेड, जावं BHEL, भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रिकल लिमिटेड, BEL, भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड, इस्रो आनी ह्यो सगळ्यो पळय कंपनी आसा PSU, तांकां कश्यो विकपाच्यो ह्यो मोदी सरकाराचे तकलेन आसा इतल्यात. 70 साल में बांधून हाडलेले आणि तुम्ही 10 वर्षांनी सगळे विकले. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लेम.
Ramchandra Kini, I am a LIC development officer. We are in a Meet MP campaign, which we are conducting pan India. This morning we met the 2 other MPs from North Goa, and then we had an appointment with Captain Viriato, but somehow because he was involved in this, we had to come over here. We are basically opposing move by the IRDA to amend Section 42(2) of Insurance Act 1938. The Section 42(2) says that one individual can be an agent of either one life insurance company, can represent one life insurance company, one non-life insurance company, and one health insurance company. Now they want to amend this section, which will give the agent an opportunity to work for any insurance company. They will not be loyal to any particular insurance company, and this will only promote poaching of LIC agents by private companies. They will not recruit agents. They will simply poach our agents and lure them with higher benefits, and then gradually our business will be diverted to private companies. And we as development officers, our role is recruitment, training and handholding of these agents. If these agents are diverted, our jobs will be at stake. We are governed by certain work norms. We have a cost ratio. So if we don't meet the cost ratio, we will lose our jobs even after 30 years of service. We do not have a job security. That is why we are opposing this amendment to Insurance Act 1938, particularly the Section 42(2).
What are the students the MP has given?
We have in earlier instance also once met our South Goa MP Captain Viriato. We had again, that was again our opposition to some moves by the IRDA to make changes in the Insurance Act. Captain Viriato had assured, and then he had even written to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Even this time, he has assured us, and he has he's given us all the support that is required to vehemently oppose the current move by the IRDA and the Government of India.
I'm the General Secretary of the Goa Divisional Association under the National Federation as a registered trade union, all India level. And this move that we are making is, as my colleague said, is an all India move. And we are talking to all the 600 odd MPs in the country. And in Goa, this is the 3rd MP that we have met. But what is more important is we are the move by the government to bring this bill amendment in the budget session of Parliament is against the natural, meaning we feel that it's a wrong move of the government to bring the bill in the budget session. If it can be shifted to the next session, maybe there would be more discussion on the bill, so that the best, meaning there's a lot of discussion, the best thing happens in the interest of the PSU, that's LIC of India, because LIC of India is a public sector undertaking. It is being giving rich dividends to the government throughout the 68 years that it is there in force. So we don't want, meaning this move wherein the agents are allowed to do business for all other companies, we don't want that to happen, because what private companies will do is they will lure our agents with offers. How the customer's money will be used to pay them extra benefits, and in turn the customer will get lesser maturity value, lesser maturity returns. Okay. Secondly, the private companies will not help in the employment sector, wherein at the moment there are around 25 lakh agents in India, out of which 14 lakh plus agents are of LIC of India. The remaining agents are of the private companies. Now, if at all they bring this amendment, the private companies will not work on employment. They will not create more jobs as insurance advisors. They will bank on LIC agents, give them commissions, higher incentives, and try to promote their business. Okay, this is the move which we are opposing, and we are confident that we will be successful in achieving this goal, because our South Goa MP has promised us, likewise all the other MPs all across the country have promised us that they are with us and that they will fight to see that the public sector undertaking like LIC of India is not stands unlike the other public sector organizations.